Hello, I'm Lori Ann Farrell, professor in the School of Arts and Humanities at Claremont Graduate University. The faculty here are committed to working with you towards the successful completion of your PhD. Towards that goal, we have created this video to help you navigate your post-coursework journey. All PhD candidates grapple with the process of moving from coursework to completion because, while the coursework part of the program is very clear, things may become less clear as you transition to qualifying exams, writing your proposal, or writing your dissertation. During this time, you may feel confused and unsure of how to navigate your way through to completion. Everyone who has earned a PhD has been in this place. Your advisors have experienced this themselves and have guided many students through the process. We are prepared to help you. In this video, you will hear faculty speak to some of the common issues that can arise during your post-coursework journey. You may experience issues we have not addressed here, as each person's path is different. We believe that knowledge is power, and knowing what can occur prepares you for what to expect and helps you to identify what is out of the ordinary.